Kia ora tamariki ma. My name is Kahu the Kiwi. Ready to count in Māori? Let's go!
Tahi watch your feet across the floor. Whānau to waru. Spin around just like a star. Ooh, you a tickle now shout, yay! We just counted all the way. Count with me, it's fun to do. Tahi to tickle me and you. Clap your hands now, touch the sky. Learn te reo, give it a try.
Kia ora tamariki ma. I'm Kahu the Kiwi, and today we're going to count from tahi to te kau. That's 1 to 10 in Māori. Are you ready?
Hooray!
Let's go. Tahi sheep. That's 1 sheep. Roa birds. That's 2 birds. Toru boys. That's 3 boys. Fa girls. That's 4 girls. Rima flowers. That's 5 flowers. Ono balls. That's 6 balls. Fitu butterflies. That's 7 butterflies. Waru shoes. That's 8 shoes. Iwa fish. That's 9 fish. Tekau kinas. That's 10 kinas. Whoo! Ka pai tamariki ma. Good job counting in Māori. Let's do it one more time, but faster this time. Can you count in Māori with me?
Hooray!
Great! Let's do it. Tahi. Roa. Toru. Fa. Rima. Ono. Fitu. Waru. Iwa. Tekau. Hooray! You did it! Ka pai e hoa ma. You counted from 1 to 10 in Māori. Want to do it again? Or maybe teach someone at home? Mā te wā. See you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, friends!